What's up, guys? I'm Dustin Bell and you're watching Kings of Clay. And that is a race car driver's kryptonite. So, was thinking of trying to go to West Plains this weekend. It's a 4-hour drive for me, but wanted to go up there and race. Does not look like that's going to be happening. They have an 80% chance of rain as well, so unless by some miracle it clears up, they go racing, but 4-hour drive, I just can't really chance that. So, Batesville has announced this morning that May 29th, they're going racing. So that means, because I looked into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri about going racing, and everywhere has 80% chance of rain this weekend. So, Mother Nature, thank you. So, this weekend we're probably not going to be racing, but we are going to go ahead and get the car ready. I've got to get the carburetor off and get it to Mark Martin here in just a minute. He's going to help me tap out the hole and put a helicoil in it where the carburetor stripped out. Had a lot of fun at Tri-State, but time to move on. I don't know where we're going to be at next. I was hoping that it was going to be West Plains, but that's not going to happen. Batesville the 29th. They are having a play day the following week. No, the Thursday before. So the 28th, Batesville's having a play day. So we may go up there for that. Like I said, this weekend, not going to be any racing, but we are going to get the car ready. So hang tight, chill out, and relax while we work. Thanks. By the way, guys, there's another channel that's way more popular than mine. I'm sure most of y'all have seen it, but I've got to give a shout out to them anyways, even though they don't need anything from me. Hunt the Front, the tip for the Tide and the bleach on washing a race car, absolutely loved it. Having a white car sometimes, the red clay, it is a pain in the butt to get the stains off, so props, thank you. We definitely appreciate that. Alright guys, get the carburetor off, gonna stuff something in the hole, and we're gonna go see Mark Martin.
You done, Dustin Bell?
Got a good carburetor.
Alrighty.
I got the helicoil kit and brought the mold. It looks like it's right with me, but I need to look at it.
Make it a little easier the week after that when it does start up.
Yeah, a week after that, is Centerville going racing, or have you heard, or?
They're still waiting on the state to approve their,
Because if they're not, I'm going back to Tri-State.
well, hopefully that's the plan, is to race Centerville next weekend.
If you drive, I'm going somewhere.
And then, but it's all contingent to the state approving their protocols, coronavirus protocols, making sure everything, make sure it's going in straight. All right, got a pretty good start.
What match Alright guys, we was able to get the carburetor fixed today. Thank you Mark Martin once again for saving my butt. So we got the carburetor fixed, got it put back on. We got the engine compartment nut and bolted. Doesn't look like we're going to be racing this weekend unless by some miracle something changes. But as of right now, it's not looking good. So the weekend after, I'm debating either going to Tri-State Speedway or Old Number 1 now. I seen that they may be racing. I like traveling, like going to different tracks, so I'm not sure exactly which one I'm going to go to. Tri-State is a lot of fun. Old Number 1, I've run up there one time and blew up a set of gears, so I'd kind of like to go up there and try to redeem myself. They have some pretty fast cars. Like to send a shout out and some thanks to some people. Tommy New, Brent New, Randy Aiken, for coming up and giving me a hand this week. Brent was racing, but he's always over there in my pits helping out as well. Randy Aiken, I can't say enough about him. Guy's raced many years, won a lot of championships, and his knowledge that he's passing on to me, I sure appreciate it. Tommy New, there's no one probably out there, in my opinion, that knows a Camaro better, and once again, thank you. Also like to thank my mother and my wife for showing up. You always show up for moral support, and you don't know how much that means. So that's going to be the end of this video. Stay tuned, and we'll keep working on the car. Also, I ran slicks this past week. If I do go back to Tri-State, I'm debating the 10-inch slicks or the 8-inch asphalt pull-offs grooved. Some of y'all that's run a little bit of both may have more experience with them. Leave a comment down below for me to read. I'm kind of up in the air for that, and if y'all don't mind sharing some knowledge, I'd greatly appreciate it. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to be posting some more videos. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button down below. Go over and hit the bell. That way you get notifications whenever we post something new. And leave us a like and a comment. Appreciate it.